Guys, it's me. I haven't been uploading in a while because I've actually been busy packing. Not for a trip, but I'm gonna move home. So basically, this is the last video you'll see me in the street, Cody Drive. In the original, when I originally made these videos, I never wanted to say my street, because these are on YouTube with strangers. I trust really no one these days, but literally, I'm not gonna be here in like Friday, so yeah. Now I'm okay with saying the street, but I probably just killed all the other people that are coming to stay at our house. But anyways, I just want to say that the freak was that? Hear that again? I think it's getting quieter. It's in here. It's in the bathtub. I was filming this in the bathroom. I just got out of the bathroom, that's why. So I was like, I got my phone on me. There's something freaking outside. What the heck is that? This is my outside window. It's one of those windows where when you're taking a bath, you can see outside, but it's foggy so no one sees you. But I might not see anything. It's loud when I'm here. I think it's outside. Tell me if you guys see anything. In the next video, I want to make, you know what, I'm going to make one more video, but that will be later today. Investigating with those noises. If I come back here without the camera or the phone, and the noise are still making, I'll go outside and check it out. But it looks like it's coming from this area to my, so it might also be in my backyard. So I'm gonna check in my backyard in this area. See you guys next time, and hopefully this thing it's probably just an animal.